reels you want to be contributing to. Because this is a low lights reel.
Nigeria messed up too next to him.
From in 2008 in Beijing in the rain. Then Mike Rogers hands off too early to Justin Gatlin in 2016 in Rio. This to me was the worst of the three. Because the United States team, that should not be how professional sprinters pass the baton.
That's not
to get the baton from Fred Curley.
That's not good at all.
Hand it like this. It should be space for them to grab it.
Your phone is at 12%.
Christian Coleman trying to get the baton, but they were out of the zone, and the United States is disqualified. So
Disqualified? No. Why did y'all do that?
And the expressions on the men's faces say it all.
Man, we came in last. Ugh, I don't even want to look at it. That's disgusting.
Up there?
That's just gone.
Good stuff, thanks
I don't want to
guys.
see that mess. No.
No más.
That wasn't good.
At all. I'm not happy at all about that.
on this.
We're watching the Olympics right now.
Yes.
You never really know exactly what your legs have. And
Hello, person that just joined. We're watching the Olympics right now.
but I also know that it's going to hurt every single one of us, like, pretty much equally. And I'm just hoping that I'll be able to take the most pain out of any of us in the next few hours.
Well, good luck, and we'll see you after those 2 laps.
Thank you.
Where did mommy go?
Really appreciate Anna
In her
giving us
room.
some time, and she's going to take the track when we come back.
What? Now why did she do
It's
that?
raining.
We're back on track.
Is that snow? Was that snow? I'm confused. A person just joined, but then they left.
Aaron Brooks in the United States out of Penn State. Let's listen in for a minute with Jason Mack and
Oh, hi, person that just
Olympic
joined.
star Jordan Burke.
Watching wrestling right now, or whatever this is. Whatever this is, I don't care. Okay, show them your dance moves.
Time frame winding down from 30. It'll be a point for his opponent.
Grab him. Grab him. Hey! He's out.
Beautiful. Great double leg. Lowers his level.
Good USA. Good job, USA.
Gets his hands behind the hamstrings of his opponent and runs him down. A lot of power explosiveness there.
Last double for 2.
USA. USA.
USA.
Yeah! Slam him up out of here, baby.
Yes.
Woo!
Open. Let's go.
Keep going. Right back to the center.
I'm so hungry.
He's got the momentum now. Let's keep it flowing.
Look at that what I'm talking about.
Just a single point with the lead stretched to 5. Less than a minute and a half left to go, and here's the Aaron Brooks.
Oh no, come on.
And wrestling fans of the States have seen
See, it's wrestling.
Penn State the last 4 years.
This is not actual wrestling.
Nah,
He
duh.
hasn't seen any attacks from Chipia yet, which is surprising. He's down 5-0. There's a minute left. Bronze medal match in which he lost.
How do we pause the live stream?
You can turn it off. All right, guys. Thank y'all for joining. Thank y'all. We about to go ahead and shut it down.
Woo, woo, woo.
Golly, girl,
Ah.
let's go. We're about to go ahead and shut it down. We're gonna eat. We're gonna drink our drink, and we're gonna enjoy and watch some of these Olympics, and then watch a movie. So we appreciate y'all for joining us. Catch y'all on the next.